All right, today I'm doing some standard maintenance on the Honda Odyssey here. This is a 2022 model. This is the 5th generation, so 2018 to 2023, 24. This generation covers on this, the 5th. But this is also the same for a ton of Japanese cars. The cabin air filter is what I'm going to do today, which is behind the glove box, but is super simple to do. Just takes a couple clips to unlatch, and then you can replace that pollen filter, especially if you have bad allergies or asthma. It's a nice thing to do consistently. They recommend at least once a year, every 10,000 miles. So it is behind here, so let's get this out of here. So first thing to do is take everything out of the glove box because this is just going to be hanging here. And won't be supported. So once this is open and clear, then we come over to this. This is our little damper, the soft open damper there. So we have to unclip this. And I do this by pushing the bottom. And you might need a tool or something just to get in there, especially if you have big fingers, to unclip this. But push the bottom part of the clip there. And as you can see, there's the clip. I just push this bottom, it flexes, and then it can come out. Then we have 2 pieces that need to be depressed on either side. So I got a hand here and a hand here, and you'll see there's little slits where these are meant to flex. And then that's what you're doing right here, flexing both of those at the same time. Then this is the little door to get to the cabin air filter. Also pay attention, it says airflow down here and airflow down here. That's so when you do this, it lines up later. But I just flexed this little tab down, and then you come over here and do the same thing for this side. You can do it at the same time, but it is tight to get in here with my hands and finagle that out. Trying not to break this tab. That one, this side for some reason is tricky. It's the same tab on both sides, so that presses in and releases. So that's the thing. When you orient it, it comes off and then goes back on that way. There's our filter. As you pull this out, it's going to want to get caught on this lip. You can just rip this out. I just replaced this, so this is pretty fresh. So I don't want to tear it out, but it is in there tight. So you don't want to pull by the paper filter. You want to grab the side, which is a little bit more firm, and pull this guy out. And I just did this recently, and you can also see it says airflow down. So we want to pay attention to our airflow down. The airflow is going down. You can also tell by the side, there's dirt on this side of the filter, and this side, well, there's dirt on both, but you'll see little pieces of stuff that the air filter is actually catching. Now, when you're putting this back in, start with one corner and then work it in. It's going to want to get caught on this top. You kind of just have to jam it in. The filter is like an accordion, and I'll put a link in the description for this filter, for this year, make, and model. But yeah, you just kind of cram and jam until it's in and both of these sides are clear. Then we take this guy and we flip it, airflow down, and this snaps into place. Snap, snap. Then we raise this up, and you can just push that into place. Then we got to go over here and do our damper, which just comes down here, and that will clip on. Now this is a firm push to get this on, but there we go. Nice firm push to clip that on, and that is how you do a cabin air filter. If this was helpful, give a thumbs up, and we'll catch you next time.